If you're making a bowl, you'll need a plastic bowl. If you're making a cup, you need a toilet paper roll. No matter what, you'll need some clay, and you're going to start by making some coils. So let's learn that first. Making coils. Coils are just like long snakes of clay, so we can take a small piece of clay and squish it together till it is starting to make a longer, skinnier shape. Then you can start rolling it between your hands and then rolling it on the table. You want the coil to be about as thick as your pinky. You do not want it to be skinnier than your pinky, then it is not going to be strong enough. Making a cup. To make a cup, you're going to again make some coils, so making long, skinny pieces of clay by rolling them on the table. First, you need to make the bottom of your cup. So take your coil and spiral it so that it goes really close together, creating this spiral until it's the size of the bottom of the toilet paper roll, or the bowl if you're making a bowl. So I need to add a little bit more to make it bigger, so I can just take another coil and add it on until it is a little bit bigger than that circle of the toilet paper roll. Now it is super important that we wrap that toilet paper roll in paper towel so that it doesn't stick to our clay. So wrap it up and then take a spray bottle and give it a couple of sprays so our clay doesn't stick to it. Now I need to do the sides of my cup. So again, making some coils and then taking that coil and wrapping it around my cup. So take from the bottom, wrapping it around right against that paper towel roll so that it can support it. So I keep making coils and adding them on top, going up my toilet paper roll till I get the height of the cup, how tall I want my cup to be. Making sure I have no gaps and at least a pinky thickness of coil. Making a bowl. Before you start, make sure your clay is the right amount of wetness, or maybe adding water, or maybe working it with your hands, getting all those air bubbles out till it's a nice smooth ball. Then you're going to get a plastic bowl and put a piece of paper towel or tissue over top, taking the spray bottle and giving it a couple squirts. Now this is a coil bowl, so you're going to be making some coils. So remember, by taking your clay, squeezing it, rolling it in your hands, and then rolling it on the table till you get a nice long snake. Then fill the bottom of your bowl in a spiral shape so that you have a nice strong bottom. Then you can start making the sides of your bowls. So again, creating a coil and starting to add them along the side of the bowl. If you keep adding just plain coils, you're going to get a bowl that looks like this. Or you could try using different kinds of coils to add designs to your bowl. So I'm going to create some little circles or balls and put them along the edge to add some different designs. Then I'm going to add another coil on top, following the shape so it makes kind of a wavy shape. So keeping adding different coils and different designs until I get the bowl design that I want. A beautiful coil bowl.